Acorns announcing this morning that it will go public via a SPAC, combining with blank check company Pioneer Merger Corp. Acorns is a saving and investing app that competes with the Robinhoods of the world, also robo-advisors like Betterment. The deal has an estimated value of $2.2 billion. And we should mention, of course, that NBC Universal and Comcast Ventures are investors in Acorns. And CNBC has a strategic partnership with the company. Joining us now, CEO Noah Kerner. Noah, it's great to see you again. Congrats on this milestone.
It's great to be here. Thank you so much.
So the Acorns mission of building a financial wellness system that does seem to be at odds with what some people call the gamification of trading that Robinhood promotes. Where do you stand on investing as entertainment?
Well, as you know, I think everything about Acorns is saving and investing for the long term. So we encourage our customers to focus on compounding, diversification, and long-term financial wellness. And we get them saving and investing small amounts of money over time so that they can create a better life for themselves and their families.
Right. So, Noah, should trading be fun? Are you part of the Buffett and Munger camp that thinks gamification is not a good thing, or sort of the Reddit meme investor camp that says trading can be fun and should be fun and is a way to learn about investing in markets?
I'm in the camp that says saving and investing for the long term is how people should focus and how people should think about investing. And that's what we encourage. And to benefit from compounding, stick with it. Diversification, stick with it. That's our whole mantra.
No, I'm wondering about the business model going forward as you plan to scale up your subscription revenue, which I take it you expect to continue to be the bulk of revenue. Does subscriber acquisition start to cost a whole lot more as you have to use marketing dollars perhaps to compete with some of the bigger names in this space?
Well, as you know, we're over 4 million paying subs, trending to 10 million. We have great retention. We have great gross margin. So we're leaning into growth. I think this time in the country and the world is really important with what happened with COVID for everyday consumers. We want to get as many people on the Acorns platform as possible, as fast as possible, so we can put the responsible tools of wealth making in everyone's hands.
Yeah, but I'm asking you, how do you do that? What do you have to invest either in content or in just advertising to get people onto the platform and subscribing and to choose Acorns versus another platform? And do those costs increase as you start going after more and more customers who either haven't paid attention to this at all and therefore are hard to reach, or are already on someone else's, a competitor's platform?
Well, over half of our growth comes from organic and referrals, so we feel confident in the growth path going forward.
Noah, we're in this interesting period where, for example, Fidelity is opening accounts for kids as young as 13. And there's sort of a debate about what the ideal age is to bring people into trading. On the one hand, you want to start them out early and get them accustomed to good habits for the long term. But there's still some argument about whether a 13-year-old is really ready to make intelligent decisions about stocks, for example. Where are you on that?
So we launched Acorns Early last year, and Acorns Early helps parents invest in their kids in the same way that people invest normally with Acorns. So we're trying to encourage people to start investing in diversified portfolios for their kids as early as possible, because the earlier you start, the better off you'll be in the long term. If everybody in America invested in their children as early as birth and in diversified portfolios, imagine what that would mean for the country. So that's how we think about it. And that's part of our $5 tier that we launched in 2020. We've seen solid growth in that tier, and we're continuing to lead into that and encourage parents across the country to do the right thing for their kids and start supporting them as early as possible so they can have the best life that they can possibly have.